Before we get too far, Chris, you got any notes on where we're headed next week or anything you want to nitpick?
Yeah, I mean, like I said at the front of this, this is not, I mean, it's not a bad episode, but given especially this big arc that they have, I don't know, it just, actually, I guess there's a couple episodes in this season that felt like filler type things. I mean, the story in this one was good and everything, so I'm not saying that, watching Saru basically free his entire species from bondage was a terrible thing to watch, but
it's not one of the standout episodes.
No, it's not. I don't think so. Not to me.
Yeah. Where are we headed next week?
Oh, let's see here. The action begins in a dangerous prison. Burnham and an unscrupulous soldier are irresistibly drawn together. Unfortunately, he is 10,000 years older than her. After everything, they part on bad terms.
Oh, such heartache.
Yeah, Michael's always something happening to her.
Yeah, it's like a Greek tragedy with her.
Shakespeare even.
Yeah, Shakespearean. Oh, man.